All right, let's try. Emotional damage.
Rest in peace.
And we've probably already said this once or twice before, but the 6.2 and the long bedum square body it's done. It's junk.
Did we say that?
I think so. If not, it's done. It's junk. That one, game over. That 6.2, it's coming out. But
We have a good 6.2.
we have a good 6.2. And this is a 1968,
59.
59 Apache Chevrolet with, guess what's under the hood? A 6.2 liter. So, what are we gonna do, Tato? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do with that?
Get all my glorious hair out of the way.
Ooh, easy
I'm
there.
gonna get all my glorious hair
Easy
out
there,
of the way.
Aquaman.
So we're gonna pull this 6.2 because this is a project my uncle had, and my dad bought it, and my dad wants to put a 430 Buick in it.
Ooh, 430 Buick
Out
in
of
here?
a Buick GT 69 Buick GT with a 430 and a turbo 400. So we made a deal with him on this motor, and we know that this is a good fresh 6.2. It's got new bearings, new oil pump.
Yeah, it actually just got dropped down in there a couple years ago, right?
Right, and then it just got put on the side and, you know, covered up, and my uncle never finished it. Then my dad bought it. My dad's not a diesel guy, and I'm not really a diesel guy, but we need a diesel for that, so
Right.
it's got a place to go now. So no reason for it to be sitting on the floor if it's just going to be sitting in here and he's not working on the project. So here we are. We're going to pull it out for him.
We'll throw you on a time lapse, ripping this thing out.
Yep.
Ready? Break.
Break. Hey, Tubes!
Yeah!
Stupid stuff is about to happen.
Yay!
Stop there. We're going to kill that radiator.
Oh, don't kill the core, core.
We're going to kill the radiator. When that rolls over, it's going right at it.
Drive fast.
Just move it. Rolling 6.2.
Rolling 6.2.
Hey. Whoa.
I have machine gun.
It's up.